Hello, this is Kristen from CPAP.com, here to talk about one of the most important aspects of owning a CPAP machine, which is regular replacement of CPAP supplies. In this video, we will discuss replacement schedules for all of your CPAP supplies. We'll list some of the common signs that it's time to replace those supplies, and we'll include a link of the replacement schedule as well. The supplies that will need regular replacement are your filter, your humidifier chamber, your hose, which is sometimes called your tubing, and your mask, including all of the individual parts. First, let's talk about your CPAP mask cushion. On average, equipment manufacturers recommend replacing your silicone mask cushions every 3 to 6 months, but this varies between mask types. For instance, memory foam cushions and nasal pillows may need to be replaced monthly for best results, but silicone cushions for nasal and full face masks will typically last at least 3 months. After some time, your cushion may not look visibly worn out, but it might feel thinner or less smooth. Older cushions tend to leak more, so if you find yourself waking up with dry eyes or feeling less rested in the morning, your first step should be to replace your cushion to ensure that you're getting the most secure seal during your CPAP therapy. In terms of cleaning, you should be washing your mask cushion with soap and water every morning, then allowing it to air dry out of direct sunlight. Most manufacturers recommend using either baby shampoo or Purdue CPAP mask and hose soap for cleaning your mask cushion. Replacing the headgear on your mask is also very important. Modern masks use a breathable, latex-free material for their straps in order to make them more gentle on your skin and hair. To maintain that soft feel, you should wash your headgear every week and replace it every 3 to 6 months. Replace your headgear as soon as possible if you notice any tears, seam frays, deteriorating Velcro, or any new mask discomfort. If you find that you need to continually tighten your headgear for the same seal quality, it's most likely time for a headgear replacement. Weekly washings with baby shampoo or Purdue CPAP mask and hose soap is recommended for cleaning all of your CPAP supplies by most manufacturers. Your hose and water chamber are generally good 6 to 12 months, as long as they are maintained with weekly washings. You'll want to be sure to empty your humidifier chamber every morning and allow it to air dry out of direct sunlight with your mask cushion. If your hose ever looks stretched or kinks when you move it while using your CPAP, it's time to replace your hose. As for your water chamber, inspect it for cracks when you wash it. If you notice any cracks, particularly near the metal plate in the bottom, you'll want to replace your water chamber immediately. If your water chamber or your hose ever changes color, these items should be replaced as soon as possible. Your hoses and water chambers should get weekly washings with baby shampoo or Purdue CPAP mask and hose soap. All CPAP machines also have an inlet filter that should be replaced often. We recommend checking your user manual to find the replacement schedule for your specific CPAP, but generally speaking, it should be replaced between 1 and 6 months. We understand that sometimes life just happens and you can't always have the perfect cleaning schedule. To make things easier, we highly recommend keeping an extra filter, water chamber, and hose for your machine on hand, as well as an extra cushion for your favorite mask as emergency backup supplies. That way, if something happens, you can still get the restful and restorative sleep you deserve while your new supplies are shipping to you. For more information about when to replace your CPAP supplies, check out the link to our replacement schedule in the description below this video. We also offer free one-on-one guidance with our CPAP experts if you need a helping hand. Just give us a call at 1-800-356-5221. And we'll do everything we can to help you get back to sleep in no time at all. Regularly replacing your supplies can mean the difference between restless sleep or groggy mornings and waking up happy, refreshed, and energized. so it's important to keep your equipment fresh and new. To make things even easier for you, we also offer a subscription service on every piece of equipment we've just talked about. Subscription orders can be scheduled at regular intervals so that fresh supplies will always arrive right when you need them. We'll even give you free shipping and a 10% discount on every subscription order. From CPAP.com, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.